Hello students, before 3 chapters completed, now 4th chapter, pair of linear equations in 2 variable. So linear equation, we know that linear equation 1 variable, what is the general form? Ax plus b, that is linear equation in 1 variable, ax plus b equal to 0. Ax plus b is linear polynomial, ax plus b equal to 0, that is linear equation in 1 variable. Now linear equation in 2 variables. So what is that linear equation in 2 variables? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is linear equation in 2 variables, general form. About that, see some introduction. Here, 2 linear equations in the same 2 variables are called pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So for example, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, that is one of the linear equation. For that here 2 linear equations, that's why here keeping 1. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, that is one of the linear equation L1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, that is linear equation 2, second linear equation. For that, here a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are called real numbers. a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are called real numbers. A pair of linear equations in 2 variables can be solved using various methods. Means these 2 linear equations solving different methods are there. Algebraic methods of solving simultaneous linear equations in 2 variables. The most commonly used algebraic methods of solving simultaneous linear equations in 2 variables. Means 3 methods are there. Method of substitution means substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. First one, substitution method. Second one, elimination method. Third one, cross multiplication method. Based on problems, we are using some formulas. Distance equal to speed into time. For this, speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. Time equal to distance by speed. In water direction along the stream is called downstream, and the direction against stream is called upstream. Means see here again, in water direction along the stream means flowing water direction is called downstream. The direction against means opposite direction is called upstream. In the speed of boat in still water x km/h and the speed of stream y km/h, then speed of downstream equal to x plus y km/h, speed of upstream equal to x minus y km/h. We are using problems like this. Speed of downstream equal to x plus y km/h, speed of upstream equal to x minus y km/h. If the speed of a downstream is a km/h and the speed of upstream is b km/h, then speed of the boat in still water equal to half into a plus b km/h. Speed of boat in still water half into a plus b km/h. Speed of stream equal to means speed of stream. Here still water means plus. Speed of stream equal to half into a minus b km/h. Means here 1 km/h equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 km/h equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 meter per second equal to 18 by 5 km/h. Here 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 meter per second equal to 18 by 5 km/h. Here next one, non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Non-homogeneous system of linear equations means linear equations, take 2 linear equations L1 equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Next, second linear equation, L2 equal. So what is second? a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Means these two types of linear equations, non-homogeneous system of linear equations. For that system, in the two linear equations, consistent system, inconsistent system, means they divide two types of systems, consistent system, inconsistent system. Again consistent system, they divide two types of solutions, means two types of answers, unique solution, infinite solution. Unique solution, infinite solution. Means consistent system divide two types of solutions. What are that? Unique solution, infinite solution. For that inconsistent system, only one type of solution, no solution. One type of solution, what is that? No solution. For that here unique solution condition is there. What is that condition? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Unique solution condition, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Means two linear equations, given two linear equations in two variables, directly we can say which type of solution. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 means it is unique solution. Like that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 means all coefficients should be equal. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 means infinite number of solutions. Infinite solutions. For that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is condition for no solution. No solution condition. Unique solution, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Infinite number of solution condition, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. No solution condition, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Next, here unique solution graphically represent to intersecting lines. Unique solution graphically represent to intersecting lines. Here two intersecting lines, L1, L2. Here graphically represent to intersecting lines. Infinite solution graphically represent to coincide lines. Infinite solution graphically represent to coincide lines. Next, no solution. No solution graphically represent to parallel lines. Graphically represent to no solution, parallel lines. In this again see non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Two types here system, two types is there, consistent system, inconsistent system. Consistent system again divide two types of solutions, unique solution, infinite solution. Inconsistent system only one type of solution, what is that? No solution. Here unique solution condition, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Infinite solution condition, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. For that no solution condition, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. For that here unique solution graphically represent to intersecting lines. Graphically represent to intersecting lines. Infinite solution graphically represent to coincide lines. Infinite solution graphically represent to coincide lines. No solution graphically represent to parallel lines. No solution graphically represent to parallel lines. First exercise. By comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find without whether the lines representing by the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point and parallel lines or coincide lines. Means without doing graph, based on conditions, which type of lines, intersecting point or parallel lines or coincide lines. See here. Answer. Given that two lines 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. For that compare a equal to 5, b equal to our first equation, linear equation L1, this is L1, this is L2, means a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, like that. First one a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 8. Next a2 equal to 7, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to minus 9. Conditions observe. Here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Here observe, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. For this, here first a1 by a2 equal to 5 by 7. Here observe a1 a2, a1 by a2 5 by 7. Next b1 by b2 minus 4 by 6. Cancellation after minus 2 table minus 2 by 3. b1 by b2 equal to minus 2 by 3. c1 by c2 minus 8 by 9, means 8 by minus 9. Here compare these values, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3 minus 8 by 9, means all are different, means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So about this, which type of graphically represent? This is intersecting lines. Graphically represent to intersecting lines. Here condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, means 5 by 7 is not equal to minus 4 by 6. These two not equal, means based on that condition, which type of graphically represent? Intersecting lines, means lines representing the pair of linear equations, means given two linear equations or intersecting lines. Means based on, we can find a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 based on these values. So which type of condition satisfy here? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. We know that consistent of system that graphically represent condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 about intersecting lines. These two linear equations form a intersecting lines.